Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Warrior here, coming at you with another sneaker mystery box episode. I bought this beater box right here for $1,100 from Soul Supremacy, and I'm hoping it's a good one, guys. I will say it is extremely heavy today, so I'm assuming there's a bunch of shoes in here, and I'm happy to get into that right now. Well, we were right about a lot of shoes. This might have more shoes than the last episode, and last episode we had 10. I feel like there might be more in this one, dude. I'm kind of nervous, to be honest, because there's so many shoes in here, and usually that means they're hard to move sneakers. So the first one we have over here is actually a pretty dope pair of shoes. This looks like a pair of Jordan 13s in like a wheat colorway. This one is in a size 10.5, and it does look to be in worn condition. And honestly, this is a pretty nice sneaker, man. Not a huge Jordan 13 guy, but I actually like this like wheat colorway. And considering this is like a suede upper, it's in pretty darn good condition, man. This is a nice one. And for the guys that are new here, if you guys want to purchase any of the shoes in today's mystery box, they will be located on untidedhawaii.com. Drops happen at a random time on Saturday for YouTube channel members, so if you guys have clicked join and join down below supporting the channel, then you guys get first access to all of these shoes at a very discounted price. Whatever price you see on the screen over here is not what we sell it for on the web store. We actually sell it for a lot less. So if you want to save money on sneakers and support the channel, join down below. So that is the first shoe. And I'm gonna just say it straight up. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, plus that one, 12 pairs of sneakers today. This is a new record. I've never seen a beater box with 12 shoes in it before. This is gonna be very interesting. This next one is a Yeezy 350 box, size 7.5, and the colorway, wow. Okay, I'm even more kind of concerned about this box now because we got a good colorway right here. This is a pair of the Yeezy Zebras, but the reason why I'm concerned now is because this is a pretty expensive shoe. So if we're getting like about 200 something bucks from this, it makes me wonder like what kind of shoes are in here. It's probably gonna be like $50 or $60 kind of like bargain bin shoes. So that's my fear. This one looks to be in used condition as well, but this upper looks almost pristine. Like if you guys check out the insole over here too, not a lot of sock lint. You can actually read Adidas on there, so you know he wasn't like stepping on it too much. Bottoms also look pretty good. Boost is like very good actually. So a lot of life left in this one. Even comes with the receipt. Looks like this guy picked it up at JD Sports. That's sick. And that is shoe number 2. Let's get into this. I'm assuming a lot of these are like duplicate sneakers too, because I see like multiple of the same box. This one is a Nike Dunk Low GS size 7Y. Oh, okay. Maybe not multiple sneakers. This is like a pink Nike Dunk Low, and it's actually extremely dirty too. This is not good. Size 7Y. By far the most beat shoe that we have in this box right now. You guys can see those soles very, very worn. Uppers on here aren't that nice either. You could probably clean this up and it wouldn't look too bad, but this is a tough seller though, because for a youth size pair in this kind of condition, it's gonna be hard to move. Because when you guys think about it, parents aren't gonna be buying their kids worn sneakers, especially if they're heavily worn. It's just not something that a parent would want to do or think about. That's why if you're buying it for the personal, I could understand buying worn, but as a parent myself now, I'm not looking at worn sneakers for my kids at the moment, unless you know it's a very like crazy rare pair or something. But this one is just like a standard shoe, so this is gonna be a hard mover unless the price is right. Let's grab this one. This one is a Nike Dunk Low GS size 7Y. And what is going on? It's literally like the same shoe almost. Same like use and stuff too, but it's like a lighter pink. Very, very dirty bottoms over here. The upper's not as bad as that other shoe we just saw actually. This one is a little bit cleaner. A decent amount of toe box creasing over here. Again, gonna be tough to move unless the price is right. This one is a Nike Dunk Low women's size 8.5. Wow, okay, you know, I'm actually happy about this one. This is a pair of Nike Dunk Lows in like a Panda colorway or a black and white colorway. These things have been going hard on the market lately. Like for whatever reason, everybody wants a pair of black and white dunks, and even though they've like restocked many times already, for whatever reason the price is staying pretty consistent, which is insane. And this one looks to be in worn condition too. You can see pretty heavy toe box creasing over here. Bottoms not as dirty as the other two that we just saw, so that's nice to see. So hopefully that one goes for a bit more than the last two. Okay, and to mix it up, we have a box that I have not seen before. See that right here? I think this is the Billie Eilish logo. So Billie Eilish, Nike Air. It's hard to stop it once it starts. That's what she said. I've been watching The Office again. Nike Air Force 1 high, size 6.5. We're getting weird sizes. That's why they fit so many in this box. Oh, these are a recent release Billie Eilish. Oh, well, it's actually worn on here too. This is weird. This is a very weird sneaker, man. Ugh, not something that I would want to wear personally, but I don't know, if you're a Billie Eilish fan, maybe. The materials on this actually feel really good. I don't know what kind of upper this is made out of, but this is a very good quality shoe. But the weird thing is, of course, that there's like 5 straps over here, making it like a very combat boot kind of look. Hoping that this gets a decent amount of money. I guess it retailed at 170. I'm hoping for at least 100 bucks on this. 6 shoes left. This is insane. Ooh, pair of slides. Size 8 Yeezy Slides. This is the Yeezy Slide Pure colorway. We literally just unboxed this. I got lucky on Adidas Confirmed, and I copped a pair on there. There's a whole bunch of scuffing over here on the fronts. Bottoms definitely have been heavily worn. 5 shoes left. Let's grab this one next. Jordan 1 low, size 7Y. Ooh, another good colorway. We got like a royal toe kind of colorway right here. You can see over here, worn on the bottom. Uppers look pretty good though. I don't see any scuffing or cuts or tears on this. Decent amount of toe box creasing, but that's not too bad. Another good colorway right here. Let's blaze through these last one, guys. What is this? Kyrie 5? Kyrie 5 box, grade school, size 7Y. I'm not a Kyrie person. What colorway is this? I'm not sure, but this is not a bad colorway too. I like this. You can see right here, gold Nike swoosh. That's sick. Uppers look nice too. Kyrie signature over here. Another one of his logos, and a little bit of wear on the bottom. This is actually a pretty cool sneaker, man. Next, we got another orange Nike box. Women's Dunk Low, size 8.5. We're literally getting like the entire rainbow of sneakers today for dunks. This one is like a yellow pair of sneakers, and man, this one is again very worn. And the leather feels very worn down on this. Like you can kind of see it on the camera. It looks warped. Toe box over here has heavy creasing as well. Hopefully that one sells. 2 shoes left. We grab this one next. Kevin Durant. We're literally getting like the weirdest shoes in this box. KD 13, size 7. What the heck? This colorway is insane. Is this like an Ant Pearl collab or something? Because it's strange, man. This is a very pink shoe right here. Very interesting colorway. Anytime I see a pink KD, I think that it is an Ant Pearl collab, which now that I see there is branding on the back where you can see it right there. In memory of Ant Pearl, who inspired us all to continue the fight for a cure. So that's a nice story. KD's aunt had cancer, so he dedicates like a special line of sneakers to his aunt every single time. There's actually some pretty nice Ant Pearl sneakers. This is not one of them in my opinion. That's just me though. And for the last sneaker of the box, hoping for a good one right here, saved a Jordan box for you guys. Jordan 3, again grade school, size 7Y. And the last shoe is... it's not that great of a sneaker. It's a pair of those Cardinal Jordan 3s. I think we just got this in a box recently too. It's a nice colorway, a very basic colorway, and unfortunately this one is worn too. That Cardinal red running throughout the shoe. Elephant pattern looks good. Leather up here looks good. Everything looks pretty solid. Just the fact that it was worn maybe once or twice. So that is the last shoe of the box. I'm assuming that fetches a decent amount of money too. Now the hard part, and the part that you guys don't see, is me calculating everything after the video. I'm assuming, just from seeing it at first glance, so on average, if every one of these shoes was about $90, that would probably get us our money back. So 90 times 12 and whatever that works out to. And so I'm hoping there's a little bit of value in here, because we saw things like the Yeezy Zebras, which again I said is probably worth like 2 or 3 of those pairs, so that's some money right there. But at a $90 average, it's not so bad. It's just that the sizing is very tough to move. I'm not super stoked on it. I kind of wish that we got like more men's pairs and stuff. Way easier to move than kids pairs, but can't complain. It is what it is. That's why it's called the mystery box, guys. You don't know what you're gonna get. Anyway, that is it for this video. If you guys do want to buy any of the shoes, again, check out untiedhawaii.com. They will be listed for sale on the web store over there. Appreciate the channel members for supporting the channel, and you as a viewer for watching the video. Don't forget to hit like before you guys leave, and I will see you guys next week with another mystery box. But until then though, guys, stay humble, stay safe, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoots.